Have you always wanted to just watch videos while lying in bed, but then this happens? Well, you're doing it wrong. Instead, you should have made the ultimate phone stand. Check this out. And you might also be wondering, how can I take something of this size and shrink it down into something that can fit in your pocket? Well, you can't. But today I'll be showing you a few steps on how to make a kickstand that can fit inside your pocket. First up, you're gonna need a back cover in which you're gonna make a hole so that the bolt can fit in. And this side is kind of broken, but we're not here for that. And for those who are using new model phones, well, I'll tell you what to do in a second. You're gonna also need a razor blade. And by the way, I use the razor blade to make the hole in the phone cover. And thirdly, you're gonna need an arm of a compass in which it has a hinge part, and then you might need to shorten it. And off camera, I also drilled a hole so that it can be secured by the bolt. And last but not least, you're gonna need a nut and bolt. Make sure that the bolt has a flat head. And then, now all you can just do is to insert the bolt. And then subscribe. When you're done subscribing, all you gotta do is to just insert the arm compass. And the final step is just to secure it with a nut. And for those who are using new model phones, what you can just do is to just make a hole in your phone covers. It's kind of that simple. Come on, I dare you to do it. It's been your boy Art Creations. See you in the next one.